In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide custom fields in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the settings that control field visibility and how to bring those important fields back into view so your team can work with complete information. This is perfect if columns like priority, status, or cost suddenly disappeared, or if you joined a project and can't see the fields others are talking about. First, open Asana and log in. Give it a second to load your workspace. You don't need anything special here, just your regular access to the project. Once you're signed in, you're ready to make a quick change that affects how your project information is displayed. Next, head to the specific project where the fields are hidden. Open that project from your sidebar or recent projects list. If you're not sure which project it is, look for the one where tasks look incomplete or where you suspect fields should be visible. In list view, hidden fields often show up as missing columns. In board view, you might notice that task cards aren't displaying the extra details you expect. Now look to the top right of the project and click the Customize button. This opens a panel with all of the layout and field settings for the project. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the project itself and not in a portfolio or a report. The Customize panel is the central place for controlling what appears in your project view. Inside the Customize panel, find the Custom Fields section. Here, you'll see a list of fields available for this project. To unhide a field, simply check the box next to its name. As you check fields, you're telling Asana to show them in your project view. Choose the ones that matter for your workflow, things like priority, status, due quarter, budget, or any custom field your team has created. You don't need to save anything. Your selections apply immediately. Once you've checked the fields you want, they'll appear in your project view right away. In list view, they show as columns. In board view, they appear on the task cards and in the task details. If you still don't see a column, it may be positioned further to the right, so just drag the view or adjust column widths until it's visible. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully unhidden your custom fields in Asana, bringing key data back into focus and making your project easier to manage.